Hey everybody, how does sourdough cinnamon apple bread sound? It sounds a lot better than just a regular old toast in the morning. It came out so delicious and I hope you love it as much as I do. Let's just get straight into it. My name is Laura and welcome to Morning Dove Haven. You'll need your kitchen scale out with a large bowl and have your warm water at about 95 to 100 degrees. After that, we're going to go straight into our sourdough starter, and you'll add 110 grams. Once you have that mixed well, you'll be adding your flour. We're starting with all-purpose flour, 300 grams, and then we'll be adding 200 grams of bread flour. Let's add 10 grams of sea salt and just sprinkle that on top. Mix it into the flour and then stir together until well combined. It will be, as we always say, that shaggy dough at first. And if you have any questions about any of the tools that I use, please leave a comment below. I also, in the description, I have some of the tools that I use listed with Amazon links. The dough that you're seeing here now is after my third set of stretch and folds. This is me going into my fourth set of stretch and folds. And so the dough is definitely softer and more pliable and just lovely to work with. So in total, you will be doing the 4 sets of stretch and folds, a good 30 minutes apart.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading.
4 hours of bulk fermentation is through, and now it is time for lamination. And just pour that dough out onto your damp surface. And we're going to very gently stretch the dough out into a very large rectangle. To that, we'll be adding the apple, cinnamon, and brown sugar mix. I'm folding the dough into thirds here to cover up the apple, cinnamon, brown sugar mixture, and then we're going to add more along the top of that. We're then going to roll up onto itself and begin to shape into that ball of dough and turn it and pull towards you so that you then close up and seal the bottom. You can add some flour to the work surface at this point so that it will help to seal up the bottom of your boule. Seal up your boule. Place it in the refrigerator to proof for 16 to 24 hours, and I will see you back in the morning. Turn your dough out onto a piece of parchment paper, which will end up going inside the Dutch oven with your dough. And go ahead and put a little bit of flour on top of the boule to prepare for scoring with your scoring tool or a razor blade. and the final product. I can't begin to tell you how good the house smelled. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and that you've already had the chance to share it with family and get their feedback. And if you found value in this video, if you'd hit the subscribe button, and if you have questions about sourdough starter, how to make that, you can check it out right here in the playlist. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I can't wait to share with you my next video.